For the egg and plantain muffins, we have our plantain here. I have plantain which I already sliced and fried. Slice it in these small pieces. These are the sizes. Sorry, that one has entered my mouth. Just want to show you the sizes. I cut the plantain, and I have the egg which I've cracked into plates. We're using 5 eggs, and we'll be using different other vegetables which I've also prepped. So you have tomatoes, carrots, pepper, spring onions, and some bell peppers. So go ahead and add. And I'll be using these 3 spices: this salt, curry powder, and some chicken seasoning. So let's get started. Into my bowl, I will add the cracked eggs. Add the salt. I don't want to add much salt because I added salt in the plantain. The chicken seasoning, the curry powder, and whisk. After whisking it, I'll then add the pepper. Add pepper according to your tolerance. I'm adding these things in no particular order. The tomatoes. Oh, I forgot onions. I'm going to show you onions. Green bell. Sorry, this spring onions. And here we have our onions. And whisk. Now whisk that together. We'll now add our fried plantain. No one go. And whisk. That's so simple. So simple to make. And I'm done mixing this. I'll set it aside and grease our muffin pan. We'll bring in our pan which I've already greased with oil. Be scooping the egg and plantain mixture into this. Don't worry, I will clean that later. So I'll now take this into the oven and bake. And here we have our egg and plantain muffins after about 25 to 27 minutes of baking. Please, if you have muffin corpse pepper, please use it to avoid your muffin sticking into your pan, because my pan is non-stick unless you have non-stick muffin pans. I already have the one I'm serving myself. So, sorry. So yummy, yummy as always. This is very delicious. And children friendly. Give it a try. A cup of tea. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also share to your friends and loved ones. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye.